Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A few days ago I posted a vlog birthday on how this pretty damsel did her birthday, and I promised to post a video on how I created her wig. So in today's video I will be showing you how I created her wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching and watch till the end. So I'll start first of all crocheting around the hairline, then I'll start crocheting the hair that I want to braid on. So this is actually how I crochet my hair. I put the crochet pin, then drag out the strand of hair that I want to crochet. First of all, I'll start by little strands of hair, then double it up as I go. So if you haven't watched my previous videos where all these are detailed, please kindly watch my videos, which I'll put as a suggestion on the screen, and also drop the links on the description box below. So guys, just go watch all the videos because most of the tips that I wouldn't say here are in those videos, so I wouldn't bother myself saying them all over again. So please go and watch my previous videos, okay guys? So I'll proceed in crocheting the hair. As you can see, as I'm going, I'm doubling it up. You see the strands at the back are bigger than the ones in the front. And then I will start braiding the hair, starting with little strands of hair and pinning it down to secure it. Then later on I will remove all the pins that I used in this. So I'll drop the materials I use for this tutorial on the description box below, so please go check it out if you want to try this out. And please, when you do, just tag me and show me, let me see the outcome of this week. I would love to see how you try this out. Okay guys, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe and share. Please comment what you love about this video. Comment if you really achieve something, or if you have any question to ask me, please drop it down on the comment section below. So when I get to the line, that's the side pattern line, I forgot to show you that I drew a line on the side of her hair, of the mannequin head. So I'll start ventilating on that line, on a straight line, leaving at least 2 to 3 holes. That's when I ventilate in one net, in one hole, I'll leave like 2 holes, then I'll ventilate in the next one. You can also use a crochet needle. Sorry guys, I do not script this video. You can also use a crochet pin to ventilate this. Okay, my next video I'll post a video on how I ventilate, and with crochet needle and also ventilating needle. So when I ventilate throughout that line, I'll now start weaving just the way you are seeing like this. I'll start weaving using that line as a guide. Then after I'm done with that, I'll now weave the other side. So when I'm done weaving the other side of the hair, I will now weave it in this kind of braid and sew it down. Okay, so I'll pick like up to 3 to 4 or 5 braids, then I'll weave them together, then sew it down the cap, just the way I left this, so that I will show you how I sew it down the cap. I'll just sew it all through down the cap, then I'll cut off the excess. It will not look as if you braided the hair to the back. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to do here. Then I'll proceed in crocheting the back of this hair. As you can see, the back of the hair is an afro, and this is the extension hair I'll be using for it. That's the series kinky expression braid. So I first of all cut it into two, then one of the halves I'll cut into three parts. So that is approximate, that's about 6 times. That's cut 6. That's what I did in this hair, and I use 1 pack of this braiding hair for that hair. Then I'll start crocheting it, starting from the end of the net. That's the place I stopped weaving the hair. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm trying to explain here. So after crocheting the hair, I will now tie it into a knot. So this is all about this hair. I'll crochet it all through the hair, all around the hair. Anywhere you see that it's not full enough, you put more hair. So don't be stingy with your hair, okay guys? So after crocheting the hair, I'm getting the maximum result I want in the fullness. I'll now trim it, place it on the kid's hair to see how big it looks on her. Then I'll now trim it down to the size of her hair or the size of her body, I don't know. So if you find this video helpful, guys, please give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel to get more of these videos, and please guys, do not forget to share and comment what you love about this video. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.